Hey, what's up? This is Gina from Outlier Automation. Today I want to show you the unboxing of the Samsara HM11 health monitor sensor. First, I wanted to go over a few key specs. The HM11 is used for motor predictive maintenance. It wirelessly transfers data to the cloud and can get vibration and temperature sensing. Temperature is logged every 4 seconds and vibration is logged to the cloud every 5 minutes. The sensor itself is IP67 rated and can be used in Class 1 Div 2 areas, so very good for oil and gas. It has a 100-foot wireless range to the gateway, which connect to Samsara's IG21s, and the operating temperature is -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. This is the box that the HM11 comes in. It shows Samsara's branding very well. It's very modern. Shows the industrial automation approach to be modern and revolutionizing it. Inside, you get a link to activate the sensor. Everything's configurable in the cloud for the IGs and the sensors. It's very easy, it's very quick, and I think it's a big plus to this platform. The sensor itself comes powered on. It has AA batteries, which you'll need to replace every couple years. And there's a big display that you can see when you're walking by these sensors. You can see right away there's vibration, millimeters per second, which the units are configurable on your application in the cloud. You push a button and the temperature comes up. You see that my office is very hot. And then you also see that you can configure a name, which will help you cross-reference, or your operators cross-reference that versus dashboards. On the back, there's a mounting for either epoxy or a magnet, and the housing itself is actually IP67, pretty rugged. There's a direction for the motor axis. You can separately plot the different coordinates of vibration, and I found it worked pretty well. I hooked it up to my dryer and I was able to see the direction of the drum rotating. I want to show here how strong this magnet is. I don't think you need to worry about it falling off of motor housing. I always have a hard time pulling it off of my lab board. And actually right next to it you can see the IG21, which is one of the gateways that you can connect this wirelessly to. Thanks for watching. We're a partner of Samsara. We can help you spec hardware and your cloud solution, as well as any other type of IIoT project. Contact us at info@outlierautomation.com. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.